Hey guys, I'm Ralph with Tires Wheels Direct. Don't forget to subscribe right below our YouTube channel. We'll be showcasing this TIS and many more that we sell on Tires Wheels Direct. So check this one out. This is the TIS 547C, and it comes 22 by 12, 6 on 5.5, negative 44, 106 center with a chrome finish. Whenever you shop at our website, make sure to shop 54C-222-8344, and it'll take you straight to this wheel. I'm gonna box this wheel. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I'm gonna take this down. This thing's pretty big, so let this open. Check this guys out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And get this pretty boy out. It's a big guy. So good looking wheel. This is the chrome TIS 547. See. So there we go. Split spoke, has like a twist to it. Chrome center cap. Chrome lip, TPMS sensor compatible, conical seat lug nuts. Let me give you the lip size on this 22 by 12 wheel. So from the face to the edge of the lip, you're looking at 4.5 inches. So you got it. So that's the lip size. For those Toyota vehicles, we do supply hub rings. So TIS supplies their own hub rings inside the box, so it'll be on the bottom. So for those guys that have Chevys 106 to 78, and then maybe I think that's under there, a couple other ones. So it's a good looking wheel, guys. Lip size I already gave it to you. Chrome finish. This is a triple plated chrome. And it has like a small little concave to the face. So if you guys can see the angle right there. Deep dish. Has the TIS logo on the outside. So look at this lip treatment on the outside. It says TIS off-road, and then here, I mean, it looks really good. So give you the wheel weight. A lot of guys ask on these 2212 what the wheel weight is. Here, I'll weigh this bad boy for you if you guys want. So check this guy out, and weigh this guy. See if it fits on my weight scale. Okay. Yeah, 44.5 pounds. There you go. So it's a big heavyweight wheel. So if you guys are interested in this one, they do come in black. This is the chrome version. They come in different sizes and bolt patterns. Don't hesitate, give us a call. We'll be happy to help. Thank you.